Hello guys, welcome to today's video by Trust Stanley, and this is another TS Tech Talk video. On today's video guys, I'm going to show you how to back up your chat on your Telegram application. But right now we are making use of desktop because this doesn't work on your laptop. So in order to back up your chat on Telegram app, go ahead and open your Telegram application or Telegram software on your laptop. And currently I opened up a chat right now. Now if you want to back up an individual chat, all you need to do is probably go to the particular chat and click on it. Once you click on that particular chat, all you need to do is right here, you're going to see this three dotted icon right here, right? Go ahead and click on that, and then you're going to notice where it says backup chats. Okay, sorry, I clicked outside. Click on it again. You're going to notice where it says backup chat history. Right now, go ahead and click on it. But before I click on this, guys, let me show you how this actually works on your mobile phone, because I have my mobile phone right here, and if I click on that dummies right there and click on this three dotted icon just like I did right now, you notice there is no option for that. So this is a bit different for the desktop version. So you actually have it right here to back up that particular chat history, and when you click on backup, it gives you an option to select what you exactly want to back up. So on default it selects the photos. You can go ahead and select any of this one that you want to back up. So I'm just going to select very few of them and show you guys how it works. Actually, let me exclude the video so that it's going to back up faster. And then you notice this file size. If you want this to be on a very high resolution, you can increase this file size by dragging this forward and backward. But I want to leave it on the default because I want it to save very fast. It's not as if I want to save anything very important or that I want to make use of later on. So I'm going to leave it at default, which is 8. It's very difficult to drag. So that is it. So once you've selected all you want to, the next thing you need to click on export. But first, you can change this particular format. When you click on this area, you'll be able to change it to HTML, human readable HTML, or you change it to machine readable Jackson. So it's only the machine that will be able to read it without you can use a software to read it actually, but without that, I think the most preferable option for me, I'm making use of the first option, which is HTML, so that I can easily understand what it's saying and read it properly. And also you can notice where it's saving. You can change the location where you want to save it, and click on anywhere that you want it to have, you want to have it. For some reason I'm going to put it under pictures, and then I'm going to go ahead and click on save. So I'm going to come right here, and it's going to, you can change this particular order also. When you click on it, you can select where you want it to start, and I want to leave it on default anyway. So I want it to save from oldest to the present. You notice the present is actually selected. But if for some reason you want it to be a unique one, you can go ahead and choose any of this option after you have clicked on that particular present. But I do not want this. I want to leave it at default, and then click on export. Now it will start exporting, and wait for it to complete. So you notice for there is an information here. For security reason, you will be able to begin downloading your information in 24 hours. So click on OK, and within 24 hours your download is going to start. And once it completes, you are going to see your downloads under the location you selected. I think I selected pictures, which is right here, and is not yet downloaded. So we are going to wait for it to download. I can't wait for it to download right now because the video is going to be very long. So after you have downloaded, I'm going to screenshot and put it on my post so you guys can check it out. And then let me close this out. And then another way to back up your Telegram chat is to click on this menu icon right here, this one right there. So click on the menu icon and then scroll down to settings. You notice where it has settings, right? Go ahead and click on that. Now click on the advanced section to choose advanced, and then you can notice where it has backup, right? Export. It says export Telegram data. All you need to do is to click on it. Right now it's not exporting the individual chat. It's going to actually export all of the data So go ahead and select any of the option you want. Select it, make sure it's checked in blue, just like now. But if you deselect it, that means if you deselect this one, like I deselected this one like this, it's not going to export my personal chat. So I'm going to click on it to select because I want to see my personal chat also. Then go ahead and scroll down to see more options. There are still more options where you have to choose your video and the rest. So you can choose the video, stickers, GIF, file if you want. Choose every other document that you want to back up, and then scroll right down and click on backup. Now make sure you have this one selected. I prefer to use this option so that I can easily read it after it has been exported. So all you need to do once you're done, click on export and it will start exporting. So this is going to take a while. It's not going to be very fast, just like you are expecting. So it's going to take up to 24 hours to complete this, or even less than that. So once it have completed, you are going to notice it will display on the location that you've selected. And do not forget, we selected pictures on the last one, so it's still going to save on this particular area. So once I've ended this video, I'm going to look for a way to actually display it. I think the best way to display this stuff after it has ended is to display it on the post section of my YouTube. So you guys will be able to see that on the post section of my YouTube. Please let me know if you guys need any video or any changes in this particular video. I started making this video format in order to test run if this works out. But if you do not like this video format or my format or the way I'm making this video right now, please let me know on the comment section, because I'm trying to improve my video, and I'm not trying to do anything that is going to favor me. I'm actually trying to do things that is also going to favor you guys. So just tell me the way, the format you prefer to watch the video. And also, if you are understanding my videos, please let me know. And I would really appreciate every feedback that I get. I may not respond to every of your comments. I may not have time to respond to every of them, but the best one I can, I'm going to definitely respond to them. And also, guys, I also want to add membership to my channel. I've been thinking about this. I haven't decided yet, but please let me know if you guys think it's okay to support the channel growing. But if not, just let me know, and I'm definitely going to do anything you want regarding this issue of the membership. So if this video is helpful to you guys, please don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe. And if you haven't shared this video yet with your friends, please do not forget to share it, and I would really appreciate. And I'm going to see you guys on my next video. Please stay safe, guys, and peace.